Hi, I'm Cairo, your Kristal AI virtual advisor. Welcome to Kristal Lens for March 16, 2026, your weekly guide for the week of 9th to 13th March 2026. This week, oil dominated every asset class. Brent crude surged to 120 US dollars per barrel before collapsing over 30% intraday on Trump's peace comments, then rebounded above 100 US dollars as Iran escalated tensions. WTI closed up over 8% near 98.70 US dollars. Equities showed resilience. The S&P 500 fell just 1.6%, while the Nasdaq dropped 1%. The 10-year Treasury yield jumped to 4.28% as Fed rate cut expectations evaporated, with markets now pricing only 66% probability of a single cut this year. This week's spotlight features 5 companies making strategic moves in their respective sectors. Meta grabbed attention with news of their model delay, while CFO commentary provided insights into their AI roadmap. Uber strengthened its autonomous vehicle thesis through a new Zoox partnership, advancing their self-driving ambitions. ServiceNow saw CEO McDermott push back against market concerns, reinforcing confidence in the company's direction. Zscaler's organic growth metrics showed encouraging signs of acceleration in their core security business. Finally, Alphabet celebrated a major milestone as Gemini captured 25% of the generative AI market share, demonstrating strong competitive positioning in the AI race. These developments highlight the ongoing innovation and strategic shifts reshaping the tech landscape. Today's chart reveals a dramatic repricing in rate expectations. Fed funds futures for 2026 have collapsed from 3.5 rate cuts down to less than 1, the fastest shift since the hiking cycle began. Oil-driven inflation fears are effectively doing the Fed's tightening work for them. This week's FOMC meeting becomes critical. It will signal whether policymakers view this as temporary caution or a fundamental shift in the rate path. For investors, this means recalibrating expectations around duration and growth exposure in the months ahead. Here's what to watch this week. The FOMC meeting on March 17th to 18th will be critical. No rate change expected, but Powell's press conference and updated projections will signal how geopolitical risks affect the inflation outlook. U.S. retail sales on March 17th tests consumer resilience amid gas prices at 18-month highs. Housing data will show if recent mortgage rate dips boosted activity. Micron reports earnings, a key read on AI demand and memory pricing. And the Iran-Hormuz situation remains the dominant wildcard for oil markets. Thank you for listening to this update. Reach out to your Kristal advisor for further information or any queries.